Instagram has recently added a few cool features, and one of them is reposts. So in this video, I'll show you how to make a repost and delete it. Firstly, we need to make sure that Instagram is updated to the latest version. Go ahead and open App Store, find your Instagram, and if you can see blue button update, then hit it and wait till the app will be updated. Now let's open it and also check some settings. Click your profile icon on the bottom of the screen and then tap the three lines in the top right corner to open up the settings. Here we need to scroll a bit down till the section Who can see your content. Click on Account Privacy and make sure that you have public account. So the switch for the private account is turned off. With this way, reposts will be available for you. And now let's find out how to make and delete repost. So let's go back to the feed, for example, and repost something. I will repost this video. So as you can see, next to the comment section, we got this new icon with two arrows and the amount of reposts. So just click on it once and you will see now that you just made a repost. Also, you can click on your repost and drop an emoji or leave a comment, anything you want to. Now you can also tap on this little video icon on the bottom of the screen to open up your Reels feed. And here you will notice this button as well. So you can also click on it, add a comment if you want to, and it will be saved to your repost. Great. Now to find out how to delete reposts and just find your reposts, you just need to click on your profile icon on the bottom of the screen again. I'm gonna refresh the page and now you can see above my photos with this tools collection, we can find two arrows for reposts. Just click on it and here you'll see all of your content. You can tap it. Then tap this button once again to delete your repost. Let's delete this one as well. And now I have no repost, so everything is gone. Also, once you refresh the page, the button will disappear, but it will reappear once you repost something again. Also, you can find this button not on every photo, not on every video, because maybe it could be restricted by an author. Just tap your profile, click on the three lines in the top right again, go a bit lower till you can see this section with the sharing and reuse in the how others can interact with you. Click on it and you can manage to allow people to share your content or don't allow. And here you'll also see reposts on posts and reels. So that is basically how you can use this feature. But if it's not available for you, once again, make sure you're updated to the latest version, that your Instagram is updated. And also, it may be due to the brand new feature. So it is brand new and maybe not available in every region. So just wait and it will appear a bit later. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to see more useful content.